bro. Holy shit. Are you kidding me, bro? What the dude? The equity that was building in, you know, in the mortgage payment, but still, that's like nothing. It's cheap. Then I bought all the Oakleys. But I was making money too. Things were good back then. Oh, it's on recording. I got it on recording. He ran a red light. I got it.
I live in the Bronx. Yeah, I'm getting pissed. Yeah, no, you son of a asshole. I saw that comment. It's like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, I said, we're about to see.
Jesus Christ! What is wrong with you? Holy what the
The one where Lee Seung-gi? The Big Bang one. Oh.
Whoa! Oh my God! Look at this. Oh!
Holy sh!
Oh! She was all erratic.
Oh my God!
She fucking.
I would ease a lot of this shit. A lot of these people that just go astray and go into right-wing fucking shittiness because they didn't find anybody to connect with.
Start recording emergency video.
Yeah. Sure did. And he took off.
Go 10 miles an hour under the fucking speed limit. What the f?
Did we get in a car crash?
Yeah?
What the fuck, dude? Huh?
She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college.
What are you? Jesus Christ. What the f?
They had so much time to think about it.